Did you know that Australia's National Construction Codes has undergone major amendments this year? Because of its sheer complexity, Australia's construction codes have a reputation for being one of the most difficult aspects of the construction process, even for the most experienced construction professionals. Hi, my name is Steve Perrys. Together with my faculty director, we would like to invite you to our certified National Construction Codes and Compliance program. Here's what you'll learn and all the benefits to enrolling in our certified program today. To begin our course, you'll learn an in-depth review of the key provisions and recent amendments to the National Construction Code. Next, you'll be taught how to interpret these provisions to ensure compliance with the requirements that's needed for your building projects. Everything you need is explained in detail as you progress through the course and move from the basics to the more advanced sections in this certified program. You will even learn about how to develop performance solutions for codes that are difficult to implement, as well as review of the new code launched this year for energy efficiency compliance. By the end of the program, you'll be awarded with the certification in Australia's National Construction Code and Compliance. It will help you boost your career and professional credentials. What's more, this certification is industry recognized with lifelong validity. You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain by enrolling in our course today. It's time to take action.